Rain taps on the window, soft as a whisper. Coffee's warm and the lights are dimmer. A book in my hand, but I can't read. Dreaming of you and the life we lead. Clouds rolling through the sleepy sky, lost in the moments where you and I lie. The pitter-patter sings a sweet refrain, echoes of love, love through the gentle rain. Rainy day love, stay a while, wrapped in your warmth with a lazy smile. Can't you hear the world slow down in this little corner of our rainy town? Blankets wrapped around us tight, candles flicker in the dampened light. Every drop feels like a memory in the simple bliss of just you and me. Every storm outside can't touch the peace we find in our tender hush. In the gray we find the bright, in the rain love feels just right. Rainy day love, stay a while, wrapped in your warmth with a lazy smile. Can't you hear the world slow down in this little corner of our rainy town? Blankets wrapped around us tight, candles flicker in the dampened light. Every drop feels like a memory in the simple bliss of just you and me. In the simple bliss of just you